Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. So before going into the discussion, there is one important MCQ is there. Though it is one liner, please try to answer. I write in the comment section. At the end of the lecture, I'll give the answer of it. Which country has been inducted as a new member in ASEAN group? As you all know that ASEAN summit is going on. We can also call it as ASEAN group. Okay, we never say that it is a Asian. Asian means you have to write like this. It's not a Asian grouping, it's a ASEAN grouping, which includes Southeast Asian nations, nothing but here we are having India, beside Bangladesh, then Myanmar, no, this belt completely along with Indonesia and Malaysia. I hope this is clear to you. And when you talk about ASEAN, at this point of time, it is having 11 members. Plus, if you include India, Japan, Russia, China, USA, Australia, so ASEAN plus extension of these countries, we call it as East Asia Summit. Do remember this point, very, very important to distinguish what is ASEAN and what is East Asia Summit. I hope this is all clear to you. Do write in the comment section which country has been newly inducted as a member of ASEAN group. Those who are watching me for the very first time, for them a small advertisement, do join my economy movement classes, and if you're doing this, you'll get SNT as a complimentary with current affairs, budget, economic survey, each and everything. Okay, right. Now today we are having the topic of discussions are International Solar Alliance, which has also held recently 28 and 29th October in India itself. Then we'll talk about Telangana joined STARLINK network, very important network. Hyderabad police has been ranked number one, in which let us see that also. Butterfly and moth both are not same, but both looks like a butterfly. We are having a survey. Let us talk about that also, along with a wildlife sanctuary, which is in the discussion. Then we'll talk about the performance of PM SHRI school. Okay, right. The first important current affair that we are having is International Solar Alliance. This alliance has held in India, that is in Delhi. President Murmuji was a part of this particular delegation here, and she has addressed the members who has come for the attending the International Solar Alliance. And Madam has told that Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Surakshan Evam Uthan Mahabhiyan. This is ensuring energy security for farmers. So Urja is nothing but solar. So with the help of solar energy only, lot of farmers are getting what energy reliability and energy security. Also, with honoring India's commitment to increase the share of installed capacity of electric power from non-fossil fuel sources to 40% by 2030. So an important objective or goal we are having targeted, and we are also promoting solar energy in the agriculture. So Madam has talked about these two important areas in her discussion. What is International Solar Alliance? It is a collaborative. It was first introduced by India only. On the India's instance, ISA has been formed along with France. Before that, only tropical and temperate region countries, means those who are in this particular belt, they were only part of this International Solar Alliance. But there was an amendment happened, and after the 2020 amendment, all the United Nations members can become a part of International Solar Alliance. This alliance was launched in the year 2015 during the Paris Summit. Clear. Currently, this alliance has 100 plus countries as signatories, so it is very big achievement, green diplomacy from the India side, that we are able to onboard 100 countries into the alliance that we have initiated, with 90 plus countries having ratified to become full members also. The mission is very simple: to unlock 1 trillion in dollars in solar investment by 2030 while reducing technological and financial cost. Now Hyderabad has joined Starlink's Elite network. What is Starlink? Starlink is nothing but a group of satellites given by a SpaceX company. And you all know that just like we are having ISRO, in America we are having Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a private entrepreneur. He has his own company called as SpaceX. What ISRO does, SpaceX does the same thing. So SpaceX company is building what? A network of small satellites are there which are very near to the earth, which we call it as low earth orbit. In this low earth orbit, he is making a very group of what? A very elaborated network of satellites, small, which can offer you the speed of 20 mbps to 250 mbps. So here Hyderabad joins Starlink Elite network of 9 gateway stations. So in the world, one gateway is selected as what? Hyderabad has been selected. It's a very proud moment for all the Telanganites that SpaceX, nothing but Elon Musk, has thought that Hyderabad is a very commendable, very good place Okay, to have this particular gateway. Gateway is nothing but lot of channels, means a control center you can say. Signaling India's next level digital connectivity era. So if any many of the countries are actually seeking India as a digital data hub, so from here many countries are actually connecting other countries. Starlink, the satellite internet venture of SpaceX, is a gearing up for a major expansion in India, and Hyderabad has been chosen as one of the 9 strategic gateway, okay, Earth station locations alongside Mumbai, Noida, Chandigarh, Kolkata, and Lucknow. Fine. Telangana police has been ranked number one and has been standing as a role model for the nation itself. So we are recognized with regard to very good infrastructure we are having. You will love the control center, which is there in the opposite of Nilofer, Banjara Hills, a tea shop. Okay, so that's a tea shop only, right? I'm not wrong, no? Right, it's a tea shop only, that premium tea shop. So recognized for excellence in infrastructure, we are having very good trainings has been given to all our police personals. Community engagement is very good. Now they are being very calm, very addressing the student citizens as sir. That is very good. And giving respect to the elderly, giving respect to the retired employees. That is very nice. And inclusion and leading the nation in passport verification efficiency. We are very, very fast. For passport verification efficiency, the government of Telangana has launched a app called as Very Fast app. So verification will be done very faster. Telangana has emerged as top performing state. That is what I have told you just now in the police category. According to the India's Justice Report 2025, and what are the key strengths of Telangana police when compared to the other police of the state? Exceptionally low constable level vacancy rate of just 13%. Vacancy is there at the constable level. So we are having a very good police force, we can say. Extensive policing network. Okay, you go to Tank Bund, they will have restrictions there. You go to Durgam Cheruvu, Malkam Cheruvu, you go to national highways, they are all policing a lot in order to avoid any crimes and also the illicit sexual activities. Extensive policing network with one police station for every 10.6 square kilometer in urban areas and 282 square kilometer rural area, which is very, very good. 85% of police stations are having CCTV cameras and women help desks, underscoring the state commitment to transparency and safety. While women representation in the police force stands at meager 19.9%, the state continued to advance gender inclusivity in initiatives with law enforcement. This is very true. Why? Because nowadays I have been seeing, because I reside in the Sheikhpet, so I can see in Banjara Hills, in Maidipatnam, in Jubilee Hills. In this side, I can see women 3-star officers, 2-star officers. I am able to see a lot of them. So I'm very happy that women has been elevated to the role of officers in a early age. Then we are having butterfly and moth survey. Remember this point, butterfly will have its wings open when it is at rest. Whereas moth means same like butterfly, but when it is rest, no, it is having the what I say is that completely winged. It will be like a one wing. They are attached. So that is the difference between a butterfly and a moth. So survey is being conducted at Itunagaram Wildlife Sanctuary. Itunagaram Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Mulugu district. The sanctuary is a home to diverse range of flora and fauna, including various species of butterfly, red butterfly, blue butterfly, black butterfly, moths. You will find a lot of them in this particular wildlife sanctuary. The survey, which is hosted by Orugallu Wildlife Society, collaboration is World Wildlife Fund India. Butterfly Society is also there. Moth Society is also there in our country, just like Human Society. You know, they also have got their own society. Now, PM SHRI school, this is a very good exemplary school. Exemplary means the candidates who are very good, they have to write a test, then only they'll get the admissions in the PM SHRI school of the lower rung society. Okay, world class infrastructure will be there in this school. I'll come to that in a bit. But I have to tell you that Kerala ranked number one with regard to implementation of PM SHRI scheme. Okay. Now, the center PM full form is Prime Minister School for Rising India. Scheme was approved in the year 2022. It seeks to develop 14,500 schools to showcase aspects of National Education Policy 2020. So whatever is being written in National Education Policy, that will be implemented in these 14,500 schools, and that schools will be upgraded in this way and will be called as PM SHRI school. These schools are to be exemplars for other schools in the region. It exemplar is nothing but it will stand as a government example to the other schools. So government is trying to compete with the private and also their own institutions also. The scheme is for existing elementary education secondary and senior secondary up to 10th class. Okay, run by central government and state and local government across the country. Okay, right. Then we are having United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, that is on 16. This is the 60th summit. The 60th session of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development took place from 20 to 23rd October 2025, and it was held in Geneva. Remember this mind. The theme is very important here. That is what I want to say: shaping the future, driving economic transformation for equitable, inclusive, and sustainable development. Equitable, inclusive, sustainable, equitable, inclusive, sustainable. It is also the objectives of what? More or so equal to 11th and 12th 5-year plan. It's an international organization which is formalized by United Nations only. It was formed in the year 1964 to promote what? Trade and investment development in the various developing countries like India. Its headquarters is located in Geneva, okay, which is the capital city of Switzerland, and has approximately almost all the UN membership of 190 members. I hope this is all very clear to you. A big thank to all of you, those who are watching me. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and do empower me.